You gonna get it retwisted?
Yes.
We'll see. Okay. He don't never tie up his head, so yeah, this is how it's looking. So we got a lot of work to do. Hello everybody, this is week 2 of a retwist on his starter locks. So I'm just gonna just give him a quick haircut and we're gonna jump right into the video. So of course, first we just hydrate the hair, and then I'm gonna put some Can2 moisturizer on his head as well because his hair was pretty dry. And I'm just gonna let you sit back and watch and enjoy the video. And if you like, leave a comment, or any more video suggestions, just leave it down in the comments. Enjoy. The type of starter locks that he didn't really want like perfect blocks, like squared off. So for me, it make it easier for me to retwist because I don't have to make sure that the parts are super neat. But if you are a person that likes super neat square boxes on your locks, you just make sure you want to part it first before twisting the starter locks. So like I said earlier, this is week 2 of the starter lock journey, and I'm gonna start a series. I don't know how long he's gonna let this last because he's the type of person that likes different hairstyles pretty regular. But I am starting a series week by week if you want to go along this starter lock journey and just see the progression in his lock as time goes by. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest videos. So once the back is completed, I started with the front of his head, and I'm just retwisting the front of his head at this time. So this is how his hair is looking once it's all retwisted up and the clamps are on. And this is how it looks all dry. So next we're just going to take off the clamps and just show you the finished look. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great blessed day.